we see these visuals of Shatadru being brought to the court at this given point, and the BJP has already set out to protest right outside the Bidhannagar court. What more are you learning on that very front?
Well, absolutely. That I am inside the Bidhannagar court as well, and what we have seen that Shatadru has already produced before the court inside, and before he arrived, BJP has already started protesting against Shatadru Datta and also against the TMC government. And when he arrives, the BJP people started agitation, and after that they were being detained by police as well. But right now, what we have learned, what we have heard, that chor chor slogan to Shatadru Datta by the BJP protesters, as well as he already taken to court, and BJP has set it up many protests like this in various places of Kolkata as well as in West Bengal against this. That's how those people, those who have spent so many money to see Messi, were being cut off from the event, and that is the main question rising right now. Shriya.
Right, Anirban. Thank you for bringing us all those details from Kolkata, and we'll constantly keep coming back to you for these latest details. Right now, we are awaiting to see whether Shatadru Datta, who leads the banner, an initiative by Shatadru Datta, indeed gets a bail in this situation or not. But the entire atmosphere in Kolkata currently is extremely heated with what happened with Messi. Anirban, yes, if you want to say something, please continue.
Breaking.
Yes, please go on.
It's a breaking news right now. It's a breaking news right now from the Bidhannagar court itself that Shatadru Datta will be in the police custody for the next 14 days. He was given PC by the Bidhannagar lower court that Shatadru Datta, the main organizer of the Lionel Messi GOAT event, is being given 14 days police custody, and right now there is no question of Shatadru Datta to get a bail. So right now it's a breaking news. 14 days PC, 14 days police custody to the main organizer. There will be many kind of interrogation. There is a huge question here, as we have learned from the police itself, whether any other people, those who were involved in this, how this money were being taken and where they have produced, and whether the meet and greet was happened giving advantages to the leaders as well as to the actress. These are the question. These are in the questionnaires. But right now, the breaking news is from the Bidhannagar court is the main organizer of Messi GOAT event from Kolkata, Shatadru Datta, is being given 14 days police custody. Shriya.